Welcome to our first recipe side series, Just the Dip. We wanted to give you a real-time update, so for our first episode, we are going to show you how to make vegan spinach dip. Hello everyone, today we are sharing a real-time update, an in-between new recipe series we wanted to call Just the Dip. As you may or may not know, Victor and I are vegan, and more times, often than not, when we go out in our adventures, exploring new areas, or even car shows, we got to look out for what they can accommodate for us. Or if they don't have something, we bring our own recipes, we bring our own food. So tomorrow we're going to one of our friends, close friend Kelly's houseboat at Lake Mead, one of the favorite hot spots we love to take secondhand, our jet boat, as you've seen in previous episodes. And I wanted to share with you the recipe, the dip that I generally like to do. There are others, but this is just one of them. It's light, it's delicious, and it's perfect for when you want to go out on the water, just to have that little snack. Without further ado, let's get started. Vegan spinach dip. Here's what you're going to need. Vegan sour cream, vegan mayo, lemon, nutritional yeast. Oh, that nooch. Look at that. Onion powder, garlic powder, and of course, spinach. So what you want to start off with is a 50-50 split. In this recipe, I'm going to go with 3 tablespoons of vegan sour cream and 3 tablespoons of veganese. The just mayo that we do like to use for this particular recipe is not available at the moment, but the next best thing is veganese. So let's get started. So we're going to do, that's a pretty big one. 2 and 3. Actually, let's just put the whole thing in. Again, it's a 50-50 split, so if you have just a little bit left of sour cream. Alright, so now we want to do that with the veganese. Then put that aside for a moment. Then you're going to take your lemon and you're going to cut it in half. Cutting it in half for this particular recipe is good because you can add more if you feel like you need more. Then you're going to take back up, take this little sucker. You're going to take your nutritional yeast. You're going to take 2.5 tablespoons in this recipe of nooch. 1, 2, let's do that. That's good. And then a teaspoon of onion powder, and a teaspoon of garlic powder. Now you want to mix it. And get it a nice smooth consistency. Get everything in there. You want to get this nice creamy creamy consistency after it's all said and done. Okay, lastly what you want to do is take a 5-ounce package of spinach and cut it all up, leaving a couple spinach pieces for Sharon, our little doggie, because she loves spinach. But cutting it all up, I took the opportunity to already cut half of this up, but just put it in a nice little crunched out area. And you can do pretty much all of it at once if you're good at the cutting. I'm still learning, so. And then you just cut it. And you can go as little or as big as you want. And then you just, here, I'll give this one to Sharon. Put it in, and then you stir until the spinach wilts down. So you can get my hand. I get the nice view of just how much spinach is in here, and it's going to marinate overnight and just dissolve. And the tastes of the garlic, nutritional yeast, the vegan sour cream, and mayo is just going to marry itself together, and it's going to taste amazing. But again, it's better to do it overnight. That's why I always do this overnight. If we are in a crunch and we want to do this, but I try to do it at least 2 hours to 3 hours prior to us going, so it has time to chill in the fridge. But look at that. Just look how beautiful that looks. We like a chip that's at Whole Foods, and it's one of their homemade chips that they have next to the bakery aisle. It's in these little bags that they custom make. It's really good with this spinach dip, or any ripple chip that's extra, like kettle chips are really good with this as well. So yeah, that's our vegan spinach dip with Just the Dip, our first episode in a new series that I hope continues. So if you do like what you see, and if you want to learn more about new vegan dips, maybe we can veganize a dip that you absolutely adore. Victor is amazing at veganizing any dip. He's even done Reuben dip, crab dip, it's all veganized. We will do it, and we will show you how it's done. Put a comment in the comment section below and hit the subscribe and like button, not like button, that's Facebook. Hit the subscribe and bell so you can get more content. Next up is gonna be Viva, because I'm getting a new computer and it's gonna be amazing, amazingly fast. Until next time.
Next time on Pirates Abide.
I get a fever that's so hard to bear. You give me